What's up, everyone? Doing the inner valve for this faucet here. First, what you want to do is go under your sink and turn your water off. You probably have a hot and cold valve down here, so let's turn them off. So we'll get these off down here, and then you come up here. You're going to need a little Allen wrench for this particular faucet. We're going to take this handle off first. It's this little Allen wrench. You'll have to kind of fit some, I don't know what size this is, but it's like a common smaller size. This handle will come off once you get that Allen screw on the back off. This Allen screw keeps trying to vanish on me. I'm going to call it the dad screw. But it looks like this, so don't lose it. You're going to need it. This is the Allen wrench I used, and like I said, it goes on the back. So once you get that off, you can unscrew this plastic piece right here. That comes off easy. And then there's this big nut right here. If you have a larger socket you could use, I use these pliers right here. If you have other large pliers or like a giant wrench, you know, whatever you got, it's not that tight. So once I just got it kind of broke free, I was able to just unscrew it with my hands. So just go ahead and unscrew this. A little water is going to come out. And then here's the cartridge right here. And is my old one. I noticed the gaskets turn red. On my new one, they're black, so I don't know if that is a thing. But yep, I'm going to go ahead and get a new one. I went to Lowe's. I got it from Lowe's. And it was kind of like on the very bottom, like in the back on the shelf, but it was there. I just make sure there's nothing in here. I'm going to go ahead and just put this in. There's like a way it goes. You line up the gaskets with the other holes. Just go ahead and put it in. And then we're going to go ahead and just go back in reverse order. Put the nut on. I hand tighten this, and then I tightened it down with my, I guess those are vice grips. Again, you don't have to use vice grips. Use whatever you got to get the nut off. I just tightened this down to snug. I didn't go make it tight because I was afraid I was going to break it. But, you know, if it leaks or something, I'll definitely go back and tighten it more. But then you just hand screw this back on. Get that on, and then we're going to put the lever back on. Make sure this lever moves back and forth like this. Okay, mine's good. The lever goes on. Don't forget to put your dad screw in the back. So this just goes on, and that little centerpiece will move around a lot more with the lever on. So don't be worried if it levers, like just goes back and forth. Alright, so get this Allen wrench and just tighten it from the back. And once I have the lever on, this thing can just move all around it. And, you know, hopefully this will stop my dripping. I think also if you have problems with like hot and cold, maybe it'll fix that. But, you know, turn your water back on, and you should be good to go. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and good luck.